It is Sunday the 17th of April, and I am currently on day 2 of extreme fatigue from just pushing myself harder than I should have over the week. It's also a good day because it's been snowing the last 2 days. I haven't been up to vlogging and just kind of figured instead of putting it off another day that I would at least upload something. Sorry, I'm trying not to yawn in your faces. Tomorrow is Monday, start of another work week, school week for everybody. I will be looking for a job. And all that stuff. Oh my gosh, sorry. I really probably shouldn't be vlogging right now, but I've been trying to figure out other things to vlog about. I think as time goes on it'll get easier for me. But until then, please know that I am constantly thinking about it almost. And I will start vlogging more consistently as time goes on. I'm still figuring out the whole editing aspects and all that stuff that's involved in these vlogs, so bear with me. If you have any advice or suggestions, hit me up in the comments below, or find me on Twitter, Facebook, or Google+. Teresa DeVries 8 on Twitter and Instagram. I'll have to figure out the Facebook link name, so give me a moment. But until the next vlog, thank you for watching, and don't forget to suggest or comment any ideas or advice that you may be able to give me. See you soon. Bye.